Ready. All right, today class we're going to be learning a strategy to find the meaning of words in our reading. So we're going to learn a reading tool. We're going to learn how to use context clues of the surrounding information of a word to find out what that new word means. So first, let me try this. So if I write creamy, cold, vanilla, gelato. I spelled that right? Yep. On the board, what's the word that we probably don't recognize? Yeah, gelato. Does anyone know what that is? Okay, so this is an unfamiliar word. How would we figure out what this word means just by looking at the words around it? What are clue words? We're going to call these clue words. Clue words found around the word that might give you a little hint about what the word means. Okay, creamy, cold, all three, right? So, what do you think it is? What do you think gelato is based on these words? Some sort of dessert? Maybe, yeah. Desserts are usually creamy, cold, and vanilla. What else? Anything more specific? Like yogurt, okay. Ice cream? Yeah, so we think it's kind of like an ice cream dessert. That's called using our context clues. So, we're going to write a sentence on the board, and we're going to try this again. So, for the purpose of this lesson, we're going to make up what we call nonsense words. Everyone say that with me? Nonsense words. Good. Nonsense words are words that are not words in the English language. And I know that might be a little bit confusing, but the words we're making up are there to stand as a placeholder so that you can try to figure out the real meaning of what word should be there, okay? So you'll see what I mean in just a minute. Let me write the first sentence on the board. So, went to the swimming pool and they all wore their new Gerties. All right. Everyone, let's read this sentence out loud together. Nina and her friends went to the swimming pool and they all wore their new Gerties. Now, what's the word in here that we probably don't recognize? What would our nonsense word be? Good, good. We don't know what a Gerties is. So this is our nonsense word, which means it's not even in the English language, okay? So what we have to do is use the words around it to try to figure it out. And sometimes you have to look farther than just right before. Because does new give you any clue as to what this might be? No? Okay, so we have to look at the rest of the sentence. So let's think. Let's think about this, okay? Get out of your way. Let us see. Everyone look. Everyone read the sentence to themselves. What do you think it could be? Maybe, maybe. All right, so we come to the conclusion that Gerties is something that someone would wear when they're going to go swimming. So we might not know exactly what it is, but we could put a word in there that would fit, right? So maybe they all wore their new what? Swimsuits? Yeah, we'll just go with that. That's probably the best answer. Yeah. So they all wear their new swimsuits. So that's how we do that. All right, let's try one more. All right. Sarah wore obligers to show off her newly painted toenails. Ooh. All right, ladies in the room. All right, so what do we not recognize? This word, yes. All right, that is our nonsense word. Now, read the sentence around it and tell me what you think could go there. Ladies, if you wanted to show off your pretty new toenails that you just painted your favorite color, what would you wear on your feet? Sandals? Yeah? So kind of flip-flop sandal? Okay, so we're just going to put sandals in here. Good job. Good job. Right, so that's how we do this. Now what I'm going to do for you all is I'm going to put you in small groups of 3 to 4, so everyone needs to move, not yet, when I say move. And then I need all of you to get out your language arts notebooks. Get those out, get those ready, get a pencil with you. So I'm going to put up sentences, project them on the screen, and what I want you to do, your group, is circle the nonsense word and then underline any clue words that help you figure out the possible meaning word. So you're going to also guess at a word that you could put in there, okay? So let me go ahead and project that so you know what I'm talking about. All right, so here are your 3 sentences. So go ahead and move, get in your groups, All right, all right. All right, so remember, we are circling the nonsense word like this. We're underlining clue words, so we wanted to say show, what else? Toenails. Underline words that help you get a clue to that, and then write the word that could fit there, so like sandals, up above it, okay? So work in your groups right now, copy the sentences into your language arts notebooks and fill them in as I just showed you. I'll give you a few minutes to do that. Okay, now I want all of you to individually get back by yourself, keep your books out though. You're going to copy these 2 sentences in your book, your language arts notebook. And I want you to do the exact same thing, but try it on your own. When you are finished, come bring it up to me and I want you to read the sentence to me, but I want you to read it with the word that you replace the nonsense word with, okay? If you need any help, I'll be circulating around. I also have a learning log for all of you to fill out when you come read your questions to me, okay? All right, let's get to work.